Rustic Rose, seasonal home.
Hi friends, it's me Rose, and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey friends, listen, I just want to say I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a very happy new year. And here we go, the start of a new year, 2026, friends. Exciting, so exciting. Anywho, I just want to come on here real quick because it's been a minute since I've been on, so I thought I'd come on here real quick and kind of show you what I've been working on behind the scenes. And anywho, so let's get started. I know right now a lot of people are doing spring and Valentine's Day and Easter, and it kind of seems like it's all intertwined in there. So it doesn't matter what you're making, it's perfect timing for it. So because we got to get ready for it because it's coming our way. Either way, it's coming. So I wanted to show you what I picked up last year, and I was just at the stores and I see them out again, so you can obviously still pick these guys up. But again, not my style, so I flipped it a little bit. I wanted to show you what I did. So I picked up these little hearts, and you can find them at any of the stores, any of the craft stores, they're out. And of course it was a different color, so I painted it into my style and my coloring and what I like. And that's the good thing about crafting, friends. You just flip it and make it into your style to fit your home and what you like. So anywho, I made me a little pattern and I thought about what I wanted to say. And anywho, if you're ready, I want to show you what I did. This is what I made right here. Now again, it is my style and I like the little strawberries. And yes, I did draw the strawberries and I painted them. And I thought, how cute is this? And of course the wording is in my handwriting. But friends, don't let that stop you. Go ahead and get you some stickers. If you feel like, Rose, my handwriting, it's awful. It's okay. I mean, I've had a lot of practice over the years and my handwriting isn't always the greatest, and I just keep pushing, keep pressing forward till it gets to the point where I like it. And then of course my little strawberries there, I just made me a little pattern. I thought, how cute. Anyway, it says, love you very much. And friends, I love you very much. And I just want to encourage you, friends, come on, you can do this. Go get you some little strawberry stickers or any kind of stickers. They're out, they're everywhere. Pick them up. Once you've painted it, put your little sticker on. And again, if you don't want to use your own handwriting, use the stickers. And you got yourself a beautiful home decor that you made on the fly for yourself. And don't forget, after it's all done and all dry, don't forget to Mod Podge it. Don't forget to protect it. Anywho, friends, it's so great to see you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And be on the lookout because Rustic Rose is back, and let's see what else we're going to come up with. So until we see each other again, guys. Bye.
Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic